In this video, we'll demonstrate how to print with UniPrint Infinity and UniPrint Client from a workstation. To start, we'll connect to the application server through RDP. Then we'll open a Word document and select the UniPrint printer. We'll demonstrate two methods to email and save your print jobs. The first method is through the UniPrint Client, and the second method is through the application server. We'll be demonstrating both these methods. We'll also apply password protection to the UniPrint created PDF file. But before we start, let's see what happens to your print job after you click Print. First, an RDP or ICA session is started by logging into the application server. A license is then checked out from the license server. From an open application, you click Print. A PDF is generated on the application server and then transferred back to the workstation. UniPrint Client receives the PDF and instructs the appropriate printer driver on your workstation to create a RAW file. Since RAW files are printer model dependent, it is then transferred to the appropriate printer for printing. Now let's go to the Windows 8.1 workstation to log into the application server. With this setup, UniPrint Client must be installed on a workstation, and it allows you to print to printers attached to your workstation as well as to network printers. Start an RDP session. Enter the IP address of the application server and then click Connect. Open up a document to print. Double-click lorem-ipsum.doc. To print this document, click the File tab. Click Print. UniPrint should already be selected since it has been set as the default printer. To change printer properties, click Printer Properties. Let's change the paper size back to letter. From the paper size list, select Letter, and then click OK. Click Print. The UniPrint viewer will launch since we set it as the default previewer in the UniPrint client. To print directly to the default printer set on your workstation, click Quick Print. To select a different printer and change printer preferences, click Print. Earlier I mentioned that there are two ways to save and email your documents. The first way is by using the UniPrint viewer. To save this document as a PDF to your workstation, click Save As. To email this document as a PDF attachment from the workstation, click Email. Let's close this and we'll show you how to save and email directly from the application server. So we have to print this again. Click the File tab. Click Print. From the printer list, select UniPrint Save PDF. Click Printer Properties. To apply password protection on the resulting PDF file, click the PDF Security tab. Select Enable PDF Encryption. The password fields will be enabled. I don't want to enter my passwords each and every time I print, so select Remember My Passwords. Click OK to clear the message. Enter and re-enter a password that the recipient needs in order to open the resulting PDF file. To restrict what can be done with the PDF file, enter and re-enter the owner's password. To allow the recipient to print this document, select Enable Printing of Document. Click OK. Click Print. Let's save this PDF to the desktop. Let's take a look at the saved PDF. Minimize Word. Saving through the UniPrint Save PDF queue saves the print job as a PDF file in your session. Double-click the saved PDF. Since we set password protection, we'll be prompted for the user open password. This is the same password that we set prior to clicking Print. Enter this password here, and then click OK. Since this document is already in PDF format, you'll want to print using the UniPrint Adobe plugin. The UniPrint Adobe plugin prevents documents that are already in PDF format from being re-rendered. Re-rendering a PDF document into another PDF document could result in missing or strange characters. There are a couple of ways to print using the Adobe plugin, and it depends on which version of Adobe Reader is installed. For more recent versions, Adobe plugin can be found under Extended. Click UniPrint, and then you click the UniPrint icon. For older versions of Adobe Reader, in the File menu, click Print to UniPrint. Let's close this. Thank you for watching this short video. For more information on UniPrint Infinity, visit our website at www.uniprint.net or contact our friendly support staff at support@uniprint.net.